Hi, this is Joelle Meyer. I'm going to show you how to create a pretty ornament with a pine cone. Take a pine cone, preferably one that's fairly symmetrical. I am offering two versions of the same project, one with glitter and the other with paint. Take a small plastic or styrofoam container and pour in some white glue. Dip the tips of the pine cone scales in the white glue. Then sprinkle glitter onto the tips of the pine cone. Let it dry completely. For the base of the trunk, take a piece of cork. To make it easier to cut, soak the cork in hot water to soften it. Glue the piece of cork to the bottom of the pine cone with hot glue. Glue a small decoration to the top of the pine cone. I found a pretty red cardinal that I glued to the top of the pine cone with hot glue. Take a piece of ribbon and make a loop. Glue the loop to the top of the pine cone with hot glue. Let it cool and hang your ornament on the Christmas tree. Another version of the same project is to paint the pine cone in a color of your choice. I chose white paint to represent the snow of the winter season. Once you have painted the tips of all the scales, let it dry completely. As before, glue a piece of cork to the bottom of the pine cone with hot glue. Take a piece of decorative ribbon and make a loop, then glue it to the top of the pine cone. Add a small decoration to the top of the tree. To print the document with the illustrated instructions, click on the link below the video and visit the AnimaPlace website where you will find hundreds of fun and educational projects. Have fun and see you soon!